Here, Allie.
What are you looking for? What kind of clue?
What it is.
Look at Matthew going. And
Where's mine?
Oh, yeah.
what is it?
What's that?
Show us.
What does that mean?
Is that it?
It was in the middle.
It's a girl.
That was fast.
It's a girl.
Yay! Look at Matthew.
I don't know. Is this good?
Yeah.
We'll check back in.
So what do you think?
Yeah.
So what do you think about that, Jamie? About having another girl? Do you think we have space? We do? Taylor, what do you think? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, you can give it away.